What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of these wooden step stools for kids. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about these, including one thing you should know before buying. So we got these mainly to go with our daughter's sensory table. Excuse the mess. If you're a parent, you understand. But anyway, we got these to go with our daughter's sensory table, and it's actually the perfect height. As you can see, for a little one, their legs fit in there, no problem whatsoever. The stools themselves are very, very sturdy. In fact, I'm about 220 pounds, and I will sit on one, putting all my weight on it right now, no problem whatsoever. These things, they rated for up to 300 pounds, and I have no problem sitting on it. Very sturdy. And yeah, they're just really good overall. Unfinished wood, not anything special there. But one thing I really liked about this was, in terms of assembly, this was the best thing. All you have to do to assemble these is just screw on these legs. That's it. It already comes with these all assembled on here. You don't really have to do anything other than just putting these on. And then, I'm sorry, you have to put these little pads on as well. So that was a nice surprise with these, because sometimes it's kind of annoying assembling them. These were super, super simple to assemble and are doing a great job and holding up to my daughter's abuse. So yeah, overall, they're really good. The only thing that I will note, it's kind of hard to tell, maybe you can kind of see some of the dirt or scratches and such. So it is sanded here, right? And there's no issues with like splinters or anything like that. This is sanded, but it's completely unfinished wood, okay? So we elected, because of the look of the sensory table, we basically elected to just leave it as is. But when you leave it as is, that can leave it open to stains and such. If stains happen and she spills something on it, whatever. Easily you could paint these things, and they're actually kind of primed for it already. And technically, I think that'd probably be your best bet, just to protect them from stains and stuff. But as you can see here, we didn't do it, and there's absolutely no problem at all. So just know that if you leave it bare like we did, you might be able to see some stains and such a little bit easier than otherwise. But if you want to, you can definitely make them your color or stain them, whatever you want to do. So yeah, if you're wondering if they're worth it, they absolutely are. Very, very good item. Really well built, surprisingly. I was actually surprised at how good they are. And I just love the fact that they're so easy to assemble. So definitely recommend them if you're considering it.